Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with the internal maintenance of your PlayStation 5 Slim, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and isopropyl alcohol. Having these tools ready will streamline the process. Start by unplugging the console and ensuring it's completely powered down. This is crucial for safety. Next, carefully remove the base of the PS5 Slim by unscrewing the single screw located at the bottom. Gently lift the base off to expose the console's casing. Once the base is removed, take your Phillips screwdriver and start unscrewing the outer casing. Be mindful of the screws, there are several different sizes, so keep them organized. You will find a total of 8 screws, make sure to place them in a designated area so they don't get lost. After unscrewing the casing, gently lift it off to reveal the internal components. At this stage, it's important to avoid touching any of the electronic parts with bare hands to prevent static damage. To clean the internal areas, use a soft microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. This will help remove dust and debris that can hinder performance. While cleaning, pay special attention to the fans and vents. Dust accumulation here can lead to overheating, so ensure these areas are thoroughly cleaned. If you notice significant dust buildup, consider using a can of compressed air to blow out any stubborn particles. If you're not comfortable performing these tasks yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get insights into what might be wrong without any commitment to repair. Once the cleaning is complete, it's time to reassemble your console. Carefully align the casing back onto the console and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. After reassembling, don't forget to replace the base. Secure it with the screw at the bottom, ensuring everything is tightly in place. Now that your PlayStation 5 Slim is clean and reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Make sure to check for any unusual sounds or overheating during the initial startup. If everything seems normal, congratulations! You've successfully performed internal maintenance on your PS5 Slim. For those who might not have the tools or feel confident in doing this themselves, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service eliminates the hassle of transporting your console. Plus, with no calls and no travel necessary, it's a convenient option for many. Remember, if repairs are needed, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. Enjoy your newly maintained PlayStation 5 Slim and happy gaming. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.